Hi everyone. Today we will discuss factoring. Factoring is one of the most important concepts in math. Without factoring, in most cases it is almost impossible to solve a lot of equation. Okay, so factoring as a single topic is a very important one. Today we will discuss the first concept of factoring, greatest common factor. Okay. Uh, as you may know, this process m times a plus b will be ma plus mb using distributive property, right? And we can say this is a multiplication. Okay. Then how about this process? This is a factoring. Okay, this is a factoring. Why? This is a factor. This is a factor. So we expressed polynomial into product of a factor. Okay, factor times factor. This is a factoring. Like, how about this one? 6 equals 2 times 3. Yeah, this is factoring. Okay, because 3 and 2 are factors of 6. This is a factoring. Okay, we will try to solve some example. Factor the polynomials. Please note that we have 2 terms here, right? So, to do the factor, please try to find greatest common factor. Okay, in this case, first think of number. You have a 6, you have a 9. So greatest common factor of 6 and 9 will be 3. About x, although the first expression has x, the second one does not have any x, so x cannot be a common factor. With the same reason, y cannot be a common factor. So 3 is the greatest common factor. So after you factor out 3, think backward. 3 times what is 6x? Yes, you have 2x. 3 times what is a negative 9y? Yes, negative 9y. Okay, this is the factoring. How about the next one? Think of number 1, 3, 5. No common factor greater than 1, right? How about the a? A squared, and a. Yes, so a can be a common factor. How about b? B squared, b squared. So b is the common factor. Okay, finding common factor is your first job. Then think backward. This times what is a squared b squared? By mental math, you can find this one very easily. Not squared. A times b. How about the next one? I need 3a squared b. So 3a, right? I need negative 5b squared. Negative 5b. Okay? Again, we have a as a factor, b another factor, and this whole thing is another factor. So we complete factoring. Good? Okay, 2 more questions. First, 4x squared minus 12x. Think of number 4 and 12. Yes, 4 can be a common factor. Think of x. X squared and x. Yes, x is the greatest common factor. So 4x is the greatest common factor of these 2 terms. Think backward. 4x times what equals to 4x squared. Yes. 4x times what is a negative 12x. Okay. Last one. 9, 12, 15. Think of a number first. Yes, 3 is a common factor. Then x squared, x. Yes, x is a common factor. Think of y. Y squared, y. Yes, y is a common factor. Okay? Again, think backward. 3xy times what is a 9xy squared. Is okay? Now 3xy times what equals 12x squared y. If you think a number first, you must have a 4, then x. Is okay? Now last one, 3xy times what equals a negative 15xy. Negative 5 only, right? So this is the factoring result. Let me summarize one more time. If you have a m a plus m b minus m c, for example, then factor out common factor, in this case m, then rest of them will be a plus b minus c. Okay. Again, this process is the factoring. Okay, clear? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.